Well, this is a significant milestone for my beast, my Land Yacht Discovery 3. After changing the oil and also changing the filter and the differentials, I've included the Additive ZX1. I'm up to 39.9 miles per gallon with an average speed of 50 miles per hour in the open road, non-city driving. And this is a significant milestone for my vehicle. Usually the max I would get would be 37 miles per gallon, but as I said, I'm after bringing it up now to nearly 40 miles per gallon. And for a vehicle that is 2005, built in the year 2005, it's now 2025. So for a vehicle over 20 years, it is absolutely fantastic. And I'm delighted with the result.